Remember that you have to apply lotion over the scalp surface and not over the hair strands. Once it is applied in this manner that I have described, the medicines will reach to the roots directly and will start stimulating the roots to produce new good quality hair. Hello friends, I am Dr. Gaurav Garg, dermatologist, trichologist and hair transplant surgeon at Dermalife Skin and Hair Clinic, Green Park, New Delhi. Friends, in the last video, we discussed about the basic points regarding minoxidil. If you want to know what is minoxidil, how it helps in hair growth, and what are its side effects, please watch my previous video. In this video, I will discuss number 1, how to use minoxidil for best effects and lesser side effects. Number 2, do I have to continue minoxidil lifelong? Number 3, is it habit forming? Number 4, what happens if I discontinue minoxidil after some time? Number 5, can one stop minoxidil on their own? Number 6, how long should one use minoxidil? Number 7, and how much minimum time one should require to see the positive results of minoxidil? Number 8, does it work equally in every patient? Number 9, what's the guarantee that minoxidil will work in my case? Number 10, do we have any other medicine in comparison with minoxidil with lesser side effects? Number 11, what should be the time gap between medicine application and head wash? Number 12 question will be, how frequently you can shampoo when you are on minoxidil treatment? 13 question will be, how often to apply, like once a day, twice a day, how often one should you apply minoxidil? 14 number question will be, precautions to be taken while applying minoxidil. And in the last, but most important and most confusing question is, does minoxidil increase growth of hair in ladies? So the list is long, but I will discuss all aspects one by one. As I have already discussed in my previous video that minoxidil is available in 3 different forms. One is lotion, second is gel, and third is foam. Let me start with the technique of applying the lotion for best results. Every lotion bottle comes with a dropper as well as a sprayer. If you have to apply 1 ml of lotion, fill the dropper up to 1 ml mark and then divide your scalp in 6 parts, that is right front and left front, right mid scalp and left mid scalp, and right crown area and left crown area. Place the dropper onto the scalp by separating hair strands. Okay, ensure that the tip of the dropper touches the scalp. Now press the dropper a little at one point. Okay, put a small amount of lotion in every part of scalp equally, and now just do gentle rubbing of the lotion with your fingers for 2 to 3 minutes and spread it evenly over the scalp. No need of vigorous massage. Remember that you have to apply lotion over the scalp surface and not over the hair strands. Once it is applied in this manner that I have described, the medicines will reach to the roots directly and will start stimulating the roots to produce new good quality hair. If you want to use a sprayer, remember each sprayer will deliver 0.2 ml of lotion, and so to deliver a total of 1 ml, you have to spray 5 to 6 times to cover the whole scalp. Also, you have to separate the hair strands while spraying with the sprayer. Use of spray is quick and suitable for busy professionals. Now, one of the most important aspect is, do not go out immediately after applying the minoxidil lotion, because it might happen that due to sweating, your minoxidil lotion will wash off. So, give 10 to 15 minutes to settle it over your scalp, and once it is dry, you can go out. The next question is, do I have to continue using minoxidil lifelong? Friends, male and female pattern baldness is progressive type of baldness, and this type of baldness is purely genetic. Frankly, we cannot change our genes. We can just reduce the effect of genes related to baldness. So this means minoxidil will give you hair till the time you are applying it, and once you stop applying it, you will again feel that baldness is increasing. But it doesn't mean that minoxidil is habit forming. Just you have to continue applying it till the time you want your results or you want your hair to be growing up properly. Means, in simple words, minoxidil will reduce the baldness till the time it is applied. It is better to use minoxidil continuously without any break, and please don't forget to consult a trichologist before stopping it. Now we will move forward to the next question, and this is, what will happen to my hair if I will stop using minoxidil after some time? Well friends, if you stop minoxidil, first you will start losing those hair which were grown with the help of minoxidil, and after some time the pattern baldness will resume its own pace. That is, first you will lose only those hair which come to the life after minoxidil use, and then the hair which were tend to go away will start going away. So friends, continue using it and always ask your dermatologist before stopping it. The next question is minimum time to see positive results of minoxidil. So friends, one should apply minoxidil minimum for 4 months to see its effects. However, if you are allergic or hypersensitive to minoxidil, you should not use it. If you want to know about its side effects in detail, please watch my previous video on minoxidil. So if you have started using minoxidil, please apply it for 4 months regularly before deciding to discontinue it. One interesting question is, does it work equally in every patient? Well friends, all of you know that every person is different. Every human body is different. That's why medicines also work differently among individuals. Minoxidil gives good improvement in 70% of population, and remaining population, it will give little bit effect or no results. So before starting medicine use, before starting of minoxidil use, no one can predict that how much will minoxidil will be effective in your case. So the bottom line is, start using it for at least 4 months, and if it is working well, continue using it. Do not stop it. Just use it. Next question comes up, how much should be the time gap between minoxidil application and head wash? I advise patients to apply it over scalp after shampooing. Minoxidil should be there over your scalp for 2 to 4 hours. So if you want to shampoo after applying minoxidil, apply it 2 to 4 hours before shampoo, or otherwise apply it after shampoo. And you can do shampoo either daily or alternate day as per your convenience. There is no restriction about shampooing. Next question comes to our mind is, how often one should apply it? The usual dosing is to apply 2 times per day. However, it can vary according to your dermatologist's opinion. Next question is, what are the precautions to be taken while applying minoxidil? Very good question. The precautions are very simple and easy to understand. Apply minoxidil only over scalp and not over your hair strands. It should not drip over your forehead and ears. Spread it with gentle massage. Apply only the amount prescribed, and that is most of the time is 1 ml. Many ladies ask this question particularly, that does minoxidil increase body hair growth or not? The minoxidil lotion will increase hair growth only over that area where you are applying it. If you are applying lotion carefully in the prescribed limit, it will not increase hair growth of other body areas. If lotion is dripping over your forehead or ears, definitely you will see increased hair growth over your forehead and ears. Some people ask, do we have any other medicine in comparison to minoxidil with lesser side effects? Yeah, definitely. Newer formulations are coming up for baldness treatment. And in my next video, I will discuss about those newer medicines for hair regrowth. So friends, this is all about minoxidil. And if you like this video and you want regular update about dermatological medicines, medicines for hair growth, and anything about hair transplant, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.